Dear friends, I, Ratnaboli give a dictation for 120 words per minute. 5 seconds left. Start. The High Court stands at the head of the judiciary in a state. There shall be a High Court for each state as per Article number 214. The judiciary in the states consists of a High Court and the subordinate courts. The Parliament can, however, establish by law a common High Court for one or more states and one or more union territories as per Article number 231. Every High Court shall be a court of record as per Article 215. The High Courts in India find their roots in the British period when 3 High Courts, namely Bombay, Madras and Calcutta, were set up in 1862. Every High Court consists of a Chief Justice and such other judges as appointed by the President from time to time as per Article number 216. The Constitution, unlike in the case of the Supreme Court, does not fix any maximum number of judges for a High Court. Apart from appointing the judges of the High Courts, the President has the power to appoint additional judges for a temporary period not exceeding 2 years for the clearance of years of work in a High Court. An acting judge, when a permanent judge of a High Court is temporarily absent or unable to perform his duties, or is appointed to act temporarily as the Chief Justice. An acting judge holds office until the permanent judge resumes his office. Neither an additional nor an acting judge can hold office beyond the age of 64. While appointing a judge of a High Court, the President is to consult to the Chief Justice of India, the Governor of the state and the Chief Justice of that High Court in the matter of appointment of a judge other than the Chief Justice. Removal of a High Court judge is governed by Articles 217(1)(b) and 218 of the Constitution of the ground of proven misbehavior or incapacity. The words misbehavior or incapacity have neither been defined nor clarified in the Constitution. The complaint about misbehavior or incapacity against a judge has to be proved under the Judges Inquiry Act 1968. Stop.